Welcome to Smithies Moor Lane in Birstall, a beautiful, quiet little cul-de-sac where I'm going to show you around this stunning two-bedroomed, semi-detached property with conservatory and gardens that are enormous and look out onto open fields. Just a note, this property can be converted back to 3 bedrooms quite easily should you wish to do so, which it was previously. Allow me again to show you around. I think you'll agree, an absolutely lovely property, inside and out, with the most magnificent of gardens, space to dine in, space to entertain friends. If you'd like to view, give us a call, 01924 692240, or email us on hello@trustsl.co.uk. Thank you for viewing, we look forward to hearing from you.